way to the ShopRite in Cinnamon because we're going to the beach. And plus, pretty much, we're gonna get some snacks. Cause you know we don't get the snacks to go with the snacks. You know we need some snacks. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so that's where we're on our way to now. So I'm gonna show y'all once we get to ShopRite and stuff like that. At the beach tomorrow, it's supposed to be like 90 something degrees tomorrow.
Oh my God, it's gonna be so. I'm so happy Jasmine has that tent.
Girl, it's gonna be hot, but I'm happy I got a new bathing suit. I can't wait to wear.
Yeah, I can't wait to
Girl, and I should shave my underarms. Ooh, I gotta shave my bikini line today.
Let me wax it.
You want
We can buy a
wax?
wax kit. We can buy this wax kit that I bought to do my lip and my chin.
I'm scared of wax.
It don't hurt. On like a scale of 1 to 10, it's like
Cam
a 4.
tried to wax my freaking mustache and left the damn wax on my face.
We got this.
No, on my underarms.
I got the wax thing because I seen her promote it and it works.
Okay.
It's like Glee or something like that.
Yeah, she tried to wax my damn face and left the shit on my face. I mean on my underarm. So I'm scared of that. But we'll try it. We'll see. If not, I'm still gonna try it because I'm scared as hell. But yeah, y'all. So y'all, we'll see when we get y'all. Why I say y'all like I'm so country or something. But yeah, I will. Yeah, can I talk? That mosquito, baby.
And here.
Oh, look that joint. And we made it to ShopRite. Hello. Hi. We made it. Say we made it. Peachy Keen. And you look cute too. Look at your shoes matching your shirt. No, you don't. It's a casual sleigh.
My feet aren't
It's a casual sleigh. But yeah, y'all. We got ShopRite.
Okay.
I can see where it goes. Up, down, 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 up, down.
She gave you the
Good morning, guys. So today is the official, don't mind my brushes right here. Okay. So today is I think it's Tuesday the 10th, and I am going to the beach this morning. I forgot to get up and vlog me waking up and all that stuff, but I felt like y'all didn't want to see me crusty anyway, so I just did my makeup. I did like time lapse this so you guys can like at least see it. I'm gonna add it in, but right now I'm trying to think if I should order breakfast, and I know I don't want to eat. I know we're getting like sandwiches and fruits and chips and snacks and stuff, so I don't want to eat anything that's going to be too heavy on my stomach. It's going to make my stomach hurt because we're going to the beach, and I don't know if it's going to be a bathroom. I don't really know, but yeah, so pretty much right now I'm waiting for my cousin to pick me up. She hasn't called me yet, which is great, so that means I'm making great time because I had to get in the shower, do my edges over, slap some makeup on because, you know, your girl trying to take pictures, and plus I'm vlogging, so I want to look somewhat cute. And for you naysayers out there, I know who goes to the beach with a full face, me, okay? And you know what? You want, since you want to be the fuck smart, got her on camera. All right, y'all. So we at my cousin's house right now, and we finna go to the beach. Look at her trying to be too sexy. I don't like this. You need a t-shirt.
Wow, that's cute. That's like a little cover up.
You need a t-shirt. I don't like that. But yeah, y'all. So we putting the stuff.
Where am I gonna put this?
Damn.
I
girl,
should have
what
cleaned
you
my
bet that
car.
is? Damn, you look good. What you bet?
Hi. I forgot your name again.
Makai. This is Makai. We all family here. This is my cousin LaShawna. Y'all seen her yesterday. Her little sister, also my little cousin Taiwana. Oh, give them my
Are you able to
subscribers.
hold that purple bag on your lap?
Yeah, I can. And then here go Yasmin doing extracurricular activities. I'm not putting it on the camera. Hi. Period. Okay. Taking the stuff out the car now. I'm gonna set this up so. But yes, we made it to the beach. What beach is this called? Margaret? Margate. Oh, why did I think it was called Margaret the whole time? Yo, this is the second time we forgot a bottle, a wine opener, and a wine cork, beer. Thank you. Cork. It's high in my little gut that I got. But Baywatch. Yes. You know, like the thong. Y'all lucky I come out here in the thong. I can't wait to tan. Oh, don't fall in this fucking water. Baywatch! You cold? This is. Let me take this shit off. Water, hoping that I do not drop my phone. Woo! I'm trying to vlog this whole day. My phone is already on 60% and I don't know. Woo! Jesus. Mary and Joseph. I ain't gonna lie though, I miss coming to the beach. I need to go a little closer to shore. My edges still here, okay, edges? You know what it is? It's not even that, like, it's not even that hot. Maybe because they're by the water, but. Alright, y'all, so I'm about to go back because I want to drink a little bit before I actually get in the water. I want to be a little more tipsy than where I am right now. I feel like I'm completely sober, but yeah, I think I don't want to go and get wet. I mean, go and get drunk. I just got my legs wet a little bit. I should have brought a chair out here. That's what I should have done. I should have brought a freaking chair and my tripod, because I'm not gonna lie, this is starting to hurt carrying my phone this way. But I'm happy to be at the beach. I'm gonna put my phone down. I'm gonna vlog a little bit more later because my phone is dying, and this is how I vlog. I don't have a camera, so I will see y'all in a little bit. I enjoyed the day.
I was dark.
I got dark. We.
Aren't these nice? You be coming out in the morning like, good morning, Lisa.
Good morning.
Oh, all right. They wasn't no fun. Be drinking some coffee.
Oh, all right. First of all, I never know how to walk. I'm always bumping into people.
All right. You had your bag ready.
For those of you who don't know.
How long you staying there for?
I changed my clothes, but I have to go take a shower.
Yes.
I have so much sand, girl. But I still want that pizza if I can get some pizza on the way home. Hopefully we pass the pizzeria. That's not close.
It's gonna be 97 degrees tomorrow.
Just need a little slice. And I don't even like pizza. But alright guys, so this is the end of our beach day.
I won.
So cute. Are you gonna say bye to my vlog?
Bye. Next time, guys, we're going to Maryland.
Ooh, baby. We enjoyed our beach day.
Definitely.
And now we're going home.